Namaste friends, in today's video I'll show you how you can hide any app on your Samsung phone easily. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Now let's get started. First, go to your home screen and long press hold for 2 seconds. You'll see 4 options: wallpapers, themes, widgets, and settings. Tap on settings. Now you'll see an option called Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Click on it. Next, search for the app you want to hide. Once you find it, tap on the app, then tap on the Done or Apply button. That's it. The app is now successfully hidden from your home screen and app drawer. If you check now, you'll notice that the app is no longer visible.